Hello everyone, hi, this is Weltha. Okay you guys, so right now I'm making some stovetop barbecue wings, and this is just a really quick recipe because I just got home from work and I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna make this stovetop barbecue wings. So all I did was add my wings to the skillet. Of course I seasoned the wings with some onion powder, garlic powder, and some garlic herb seasoning, and some black pepper. And then I added a little water to the skillet also, you guys. Just a little bit, maybe a cup of water. And then I let the wings cook for about 45 minutes in that. Okay, and then after the wings were done in about 45 minutes, I took all the broth off the chicken wings, you guys, and then I added the barbecue sauce. And then I let the wings cook for another 15 minutes, and voila, this is what you have. And I added the barbecue sauce after I took off the broth from the chicken wings, okay? And then I just let it cook for 15 minutes and you have your wings. And there you have it. You have stovetop barbecue wings. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.